What's up, Lawn Militia? How you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Alright, so the stand is in. I thought I'd make a quick stand video. Right now I am not using it because I have to unpack it for the second time for video purpose. UB size, that is the name. Done. Here we go. Whoosh. No, okay. So, I've already opened it just because I can. It's mine. And that's what it looks like. It's one of these pliable, moldable type bendy tripods. Very nice. I mean, I think it is. I haven't used it for long, but it works well. It comes with the phone attachment. This piece slides up. Excuse me. This piece slides up, screws on the top here. That's how that works. Comes with a little, get that to, there we go. Comes with a little clicker thing that will turn your camera on or off. And then GoPro and, well, until I get a GoPro, it won't be needed. So, let me get you on there and I'll finish talking. Okay, guys, we got it out. Let me just show. So basically, I can hold it like this really easily. Better than the last one, just because the last one I had to hold it like straight up, so it would start doing this or this, you know. Now I can hold it like this. I don't have that problem because it's always on me. So I just got done mowing out here. It just needed to be cut down. It's getting way too tall. I didn't cut it short enough last week. I've been kind of testing. I think that's a good size. Scalped a little, but not bad. I'm not gonna weed eat this week because it really doesn't need it. That's it's the stand video. I just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah. So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the like button and turn on post notifications so you're always notified when we put out a new video. Y'all have a good one. See ya.